Hello student, today we will do question number 9 from exercise test yourself of chapter 1 Concise mathematics class 10. So without a further ado, let's get started. The question is, a shopkeeper in Punjab buys an article at a printed price of rupees 20,000. Means cost price is equal to rupees 20,000. From a wholesaler in Delhi, the shopkeeper sells the article to a customer in Punjab at a profit of 25%. So profit is equal to 25 by 100 into 20,000. So that rupees 5,000. So if the rate of GST rate is 18%, find the price of article inclusive of GST for the shopkeeper. Price of the article inclusive of GST for the shopkeeper. First, GST will be 18%, 18 by 100 equal to 20,000. This will be cut rupees 3,600. So price of the article for the shopkeeper therefore the price of the article is equal to 20,000 plus 3,600 is equal to rupees 23,600. This is answer. Number 2. The amount of the tax under GST paid by the shopkeeper to the government. So we can find GST on the profit made by the shopkeeper. To rupees 5,000. So therefore GST is equal to GST paid by the shopkeeper is equal to we will calculate on profit. So 18 by 100 into 5,000 is equal to rupees 900. This is answer. We can also find GST by finding out output tax and input tax, but that will be a bit complicated. So we can find directly on the profit. This is also a method. This is 900 answer. I hope you must have understood these solutions today up to here. We will meet in the next session with next questions. Till then, take care. Thank you.